Cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, DeFi, are rapidly transforming the way we think about money and finance. It's hard to imagine that just over a decade ago, Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was introduced as an alternative to traditional currency. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, and blockchain technology, which underpins them, has paved the way for a future where financial transactions could potentially operate without banks or traditional financial institutions. But what does this mean for the future of money? Could cryptocurrencies eventually replace traditional currencies altogether? At the core of this transformation is the idea of decentralization. Unlike traditional money, which is controlled by central banks and governments, cryptocurrencies are managed on a distributed ledger known as the blockchain. This technology ensures that every transaction is verified by a network of computers, making it transparent, secure, and nearly impossible to alter. Because no single entity controls the blockchain, cryptocurrencies have the potential to provide financial services to people who don't have access to banks. This is particularly valuable in regions where traditional banking is limited or unreliable. As people gain more access to digital currencies, the question arises, will they continue to rely on traditional money, or will cryptocurrencies take over? Another fascinating aspect of the cryptocurrency world is the rise of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These digital assets have created a buzz by allowing individuals to buy and sell ownership of unique digital items, such as art, music, and even tweets. Unlike traditional digital files that can be copied and shared, NFTs represent a unique asset stored on the blockchain, which means that only one true owner exists. This has led to an explosion in digital art sales, with people spending millions on JPEGs and other digital files. But why are people paying so much for something that can be easily downloaded or screenshotted? The answer lies in digital ownership. For the first time, people can prove they own a specific digital item. Similar to how we can prove ownership of a physical painting, the digital economy is evolving, and NFTs are creating a new way to assign value and ownership in the digital world. Blockchain technology, the foundation of both cryptocurrencies and NFTs, is also reshaping the way businesses operate. Traditional business transactions typically require intermediaries, such as banks, payment processors, and other third parties, which can slow down the process and add extra costs. With blockchain, transactions are recorded on a distributed ledger, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This not only speeds up transactions, but also reduces costs. Many industries are beginning to explore how blockchain can improve their operations. For example, supply chains are adopting blockchain to track products from production to delivery, ensuring greater transparency and security. In the real estate industry, blockchain is being used to simplify property transactions by reducing paperwork and making the process faster. Even the music industry is experimenting with blockchain to help artists receive fair compensation for their work directly from their fans. As we look ahead, it's clear that cryptocurrency and decentralized finance have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. While it may be a long time before we see a world without cash, the adoption of digital currencies and blockchain technology is growing. Central banks are already researching digital versions of their own currencies, and many people are using cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions. However, there are still challenges to address. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, which can make them difficult to rely on for everyday purchases. Additionally, the regulatory landscape is still developing, and governments around the world are grappling with how to oversee these digital assets. In conclusion, while cryptocurrencies may not completely replace traditional money anytime soon, they are certainly influencing the future of finance. From providing financial services to the unbanked to offering new ways to own digital assets, the world of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance is shaping a new financial landscape. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, bringing us closer to a world where financial freedom and transparency are accessible to everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, And hit the notification bell for more updates on the future of technology.